when I realized it could compromise a lot of our developers' positions. You know what? I have to show you this. Dario Amodei, the founder of Claude, basically what he's doing is he's going to these podcasts, to these interviews, and he's saying that AI is gonna take the positions of a lot of developers. And I'm actually gonna go to Grok. I'm gonna ask it to, basically tell us the instances where Dario Amodei said that AI is gonna take the jobs of the developers. And I think that they have to do it. I'll come to this in a bit. Let me just dictate to Grok. Okay, Grok, I want to know the instances where in public Dario Amodei, the founder of Claude, went on to say that AI could take the jobs of developers. And let it be any jobs. I just want the instances where he said this publicly. So if you are not using Grok, you should go ahead and use this, especially this fast version. You see, it's like super fast. At this time, I think there's it's kind of comparatively slow, but usually it's faster than this. So Dario Amodei has made several public statements about AI automating or replacing jobs with a particular focus on software engineering, coding, programming, and broader white collar roles. Talking about white collar roles, I think like the blue collar roles and also like the labor roles, they are also gonna eventually I think be handed to humanoid robots that are run with AI. And these come from interview podcasts. Okay, so on World Economic Forum in January 2026, he said that I have engineers within Anthropic who say I don't write any code anymore. I just let the model write the code. I edit it. I do the things around it. Prediction: I think we might be 6 to 12 months away from when the model is doing most, maybe all of what we do end to end, referring to software engineering tasks. There you go. See. Then on Nikhil Kamath's podcast, it's also like a big podcast. He said that I think coding is going away first, or coding is being done by the AI models first, and then the broader tasks of software engineering will take longer. Then in March 2025, he said that I think we'll be there in 3 to 6 months where AI is writing 90% of the code, and then in 12 months, we may be in a world where AI is writing essentially all of the code. So publicly, in a lot of places, he has gone on to say that AI is gonna take the jobs of software engineers, developers, and basically starting with jobs in that domain. But I think that there could be truth to it if we give it enough time. But the timeline that he's saying, I think that is not realistically possible. One thing that we need to understand is that if AI is going to take everyone's job, then why are these AI companies hiring these software engineers at at a pace we haven't seen before? If you go on to the website of Claude, or maybe I'm just gonna ask Grok to tell me how many open positions they have for software engineers. Okay, Grok, go ahead and tell me how many open positions does Claude has related to software engineering, designing, digital designing, or programming, coding. So Grok has a real good knowledge of like whatever is happening around us. So it says mid to late April 2026 cited 429 to 454 open positions and dozens to over hundreds directly or closely related to software engineering, programming, coding, infrastructure roles. Multiple staff, senior software engineer positions in inference platform, full stack, research tools, reliability, cloud. So you see, if AI is gonna take the jobs of the developers and programmers, software engineers, so why are they hiring like hundreds of software engineers? So that is what I usually think about, and I think that it is eventually gonna happen. AI is gonna be doing most of the work, but the thing is that the timeline which Dario Amodei says, I think that is kind of not that much realistic, like mid 2026. Anyways, yeah, one thing is you still need to understand what the code does, and you need software devs to confirm it's legit. With AI, you can build a mountain really fast or dig a hole really fast. Oh my goodness. By the way, this is something that that is worth all sharing with others as well. I think I need to take a screenshot of what you said. These are like, this is wisdom. Thank you for saying this. I just took a screenshot of what you said.